She's falling. Don't run me over.
Run.
Go.
Up to me, Dawson.
Chloe's like, oh God, here they come. Don't run me over. Selene, be nice. She reminds me of me and all the little kids that used to play double dutch, but I was too afraid to jump in because I was afraid that thing was going to smack me across the face.
So you're Khloe in this scenario?
Mm-hmm. I understand her pain. She wants to do it, but she's too afraid. She'll get hit, and run over, and trampled over.
Later, I don't even want to pet you.
It's so muddy. And once again, Khloe gets left behind.
Too bad.
If she were to live in a pack, she would so die.
Yeah, she'd be the freaking loser that didn't get any food.
Selene would be in survival of the fittest, but Khloe would be so dead.